I'm about to show you the ultimate eyeshadow hack. Wanna know what it is? Keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm Lerato Phillips and today I'll be doing a beautiful springtime eyeshadow look with an amazing hack. Takealot has a great range of makeup products from Clarins and they sent me some of my favorites. So enough of the talking, let's get right into it. So to prep my eyelid for some eyeshadow application, I'm going to go in with Clarins Everlasting Concealer in the shade 3 Medium Deep. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Clarins Ombre 4 palette, starting with the darkest shade all the way up to the lightest. So I'm first going to start with this shade on my outer corner, and I'm going to swipe the eyeshadow shades onto my eyes. Then going in with the blending brush, I'm going to blend all the shades together. This is such a great hack if you're a beginner on eyeshadow. For mascara, I'm going to complete the eye look using the Clarins Supra Lift and Curl Mascara. And to complete the spring look, we're going in with the Clarins Jolli blush on my cheeks and nose just to give me a beautiful sun-kissed look. Complete the look with some highlighter and lip gloss and you're good to go. Check out takealot.com for any of the products I used on today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Catch more of these easy makeup tutorials right here on Beauty Base.